Hey everyone, in this video we're going to calculate permutations using Excel or Statcrunch. So we're going to use this problem as an example. There are 14 finalists in a singing competition. The top 5 singers receive prizes. How many ways can the singers finish first through fifth? So I know this is a permutation problem because I have a set number of items. In this case, I've got people in a singing competition, and order matters, placement matters. It makes a big difference if you come in fifth place or first place. So order is important. So it's permutations. Let's go ahead and open up Excel. If you'd like to do permutations, you're going to click an empty cell, and then in your formula bar, type equals permute, P-E-R-M-U-T, open parentheses, and type in the total number of items you have. What would we have? We had 14 finalists, so 14, and there are 5 winners. So comma 5, close parentheses, enter, and there it is. Ooh, 240, 240. If you don't want to use Excel though, you can use Statcrunch. It's nice, built right into your homework questions. Get more help, Statcrunch. Let it load. To do permutations in Statcrunch, you're going to go to data, compute, expression. In the expression bar, type in perm, open parentheses, and your number of items. What do we have? 14. I have a very bad memory. 14. Okay. 14, comma, the total number that is being selected, which was 5, that I remembered. Compute, and there it is. We got our 240, 240. So whether you use Statcrunch or Excel, it's very easy to calculate permutations.